This video shows how to set orientation with Aladin and how to use the visit planner to make sure the observation can be scheduled. The target is the Galaxy M82 and the observation is a mosaic with near-cam imaging. Here's what it looks like in Aladin with sky images loaded. Let's go to the form editor and look at the setup. For the mosaic, the row overlap and column overlap is set to 10%, and the row shift and column shift is set to 0. There are no position angle special requirements yet. We'll add some position angles in a moment. The aperture image consists of multiple overlapping tiles and dithers. To simplify the view, click the single aperture button. The mosaic is not aligned with the long axis of the galaxy. To rotate the mosaic, first click the Orient Ranges button to show the Orient circle. The Orient circle shows the position angle is currently at 0. Using the mouse, grab the handle until you see the rotation icon, and then rotate the aperture until it is aligned with the galaxy. The tiles are linked so they all move together. The position angle is now 333.1 degrees. However, Aladin does not automatically transfer this angle to your proposal. You have to add it yourself. On the Special Requirements tab, click Add, and then click Position Angle, PA Range. First, select Set using V3. V3 is the observatory reference axis and is the value shown by Aladin. For now, enter the new value at the beginning and the end of the range. The mosaic is now aligned with the galaxy. Now we need to find out, is this observation schedulable at this orientation? To find out, use the Visit Planner. Select the observation, and then click the Visit Planner button. Then click Update Display. There's a delay while the Visit Planner is running. This mosaic requires 36 separate pointings or visits, and the Visit Planner needs to check each visit to see if it can be scheduled. The Visit Planner has completed. Note the red X, and note the message that says one or more scheduled visits are not schedulable. And, as it turns out, none of the visits is schedulable. Let's open one of the visits to find out why. The green bars show there is schedulability at some dates, but the absolute orient appears to be the problem. We specified a position angle of 333.1 degrees. At that angle, there is no date in the year when the target can come into the telescope's field of regard. So let's try another approach. We can rotate the angle by 180 degrees and look at the target upside down, so to speak, and try to find some schedulability at that angle. So let's go back to the special requirements and enter a new position angle 180 degrees away. Also, instead of an absolute angle, we will enter a 10-degree range to provide more flexibility in scheduling. Then run the Visit Planner again. While the Visit Planner is running, let's look at Aladin again. The mosaic is still aligned with the galaxy, but now the reference axis is pointed south, and the circle is mostly red to show constraints created by the new PA range, and green to show the allowed orientation range of 10 degrees. And the Visit Planner shows all the visits are schedulable. The filled-in bars show the dates when your observation can be scheduled. With our 10-degree orientation range, this observation can be scheduled from February 29th through March 23rd. If you are able to use a larger range, you may be able to increase schedulable days. This concludes the video on using Aladin with the Visit Planner, and thank you.